The SawStop Contractor Saw combines SawStop's patented safety technology with many new features that can be configured to meet your needs. On the job site, it blends mobility and stability, while here in the shop, it provides quality performance with premium features. SawStop began with its unprecedented safety and then engineered the contractor saw to give you choices to fit your needs. The integrated mobile base makes it easy to maneuver the saw around the shop with any rail configuration. It's engineered for 1-foot operation with fully welded 1/4-inch steel construction and high-grade wheels and casters. The saw's legs rest securely on the ground when the mobile base is disengaged. A good fence is essential to accurate cutting. Standard on the 30-inch contractor saw, SawStop's lightweight aluminum fence travels smoothly for easy adjustment and clamps tightly when you're ready to cut. Our T-Glide professional fence is available with 36-inch and 52-inch configurations. The fence and rail system is made with heavy gauge steel, which makes it rigid and accurate. A magnified indicator lens makes it easy to see measurements down to a 32nd of an inch. Widely spaced glide plates and an infinitely adjustable rail provide flawless travel along the extension table. Customers who choose this fence system often upgrade from stamped steel to cast iron wings, providing a solid, true, and beautiful work surface. The elevation system operates on a vertical slide. This unique design provides consistent and precise blade alignment along all elevation levels. Not only does this improve the accuracy of your cut, it also reduces the risk of binding and kickback. The zero clearance insert supports the wood along the cut and reduces tear out and chip out. SawStop also maximizes your contractor saw's dust collection. Under table shrouding funnels dust out of the saw. You can attach your contractor saw directly to a 4-inch dust collection tube or to our dust collection panel, which has both 2.5 and 4-inch ports for compatibility with a variety of dust collection systems. Upgrade to a dust collection blade guard and step up to SawStop's advanced dust collection above the table. With a 1.75 horsepower motor, the SawStop Contractor Saw delivers the power you need in a compact package. The poly V-ribbed belt transfers more power to the blade for better cuts with less vibration. Powder-coated steel resists rust and corrosion, ensuring lifelong reliability. In fact, the SawStop Contractor Saw is stable and solid through and through, with considerably more cast iron for reduced vibration. The SawStop Contractor Saw, versatility, mobility, safety, and performance that sets it apart from other saws. From job site to home shop, it's ready to help you get the job done.